What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about one of the best things you can do starting in 2022, side hustles and everything. So basically this is it's not drop shipping, it's kind of a combination. It's kind of reselling, flipping, stuff like that. So again, I think this is super lucrative. There are so many opportunities out there nowadays to basically make money. For example, even the cyber whistles, right? You can do this with little money, you can do this with a lot of money. So the cyber whistles, I ended up ordering 5 of them. They cost $50 a pop. Cost me $250 with like shipping, tax, and all of that. I paid like $264 for all 5. I did the same thing last time with the Tesla tequila. Same thing with the ATV quadcopter for the Teslas as well. So basically that cost $2,000. We sold $3,500. So the cyber whistles, I got 5 of those. Basically I keep one for myself usually. Same thing like I did with the Tesla tequila. All of that just because I like it myself and I kind of want it too. So then the other 4, right? Right now currently on eBay I have them listed as a bid. I have about a day left on them. Currently they're sitting at around $85. One's already at $114. So right now they're selling anywhere from about $100 to $150. So let's take the middle of that. Let's just say $130, right? So if they sell for $130, then basically after the eBay fees, you're walking away with a little bit less than $120. So it costs you $50, obviously with the taxes and fees. Let's just say like $52. So that $127. Let's just say with everything, got brought down to $120 or something. So every single thing you're walking away with right around $70 profit per thing. So if I have 4 and I sell those each for around $70 profit, well, that would basically leave me a total of $280, which means I more than doubled my original investment, right? Now, I could have done this with a lot more, a lot less, right? It doesn't matter. But the point is, you can do this with anything, right? You can literally also do this with wholesaling in a sense. So where you end up going to the supplier right directly, you can do Alibaba, DHgate, stuff like that. You buy the product in bulks of 50, then it's cheaper, right? And at that point you just resell it. Let's say you buy something for around $50. You buy 50 of them, so now it's $40, and it sells for $60. So you have a $20 profit margin to work with. Well, if it sells, why would they buy it from you for $60 if they can get it from a store for $60? So then you list it for $55. Okay, well you paid $40 for it. Okay, so then after the fees, you're looking at around $50, but you paid $40. So that $10 difference, right? $9 to $10 difference is your profit margin. If you do that with 50 items, you just made $500 profit. Now, you have to look at items that you can constantly sell, right? Because if you buy 50 and that's going to take you 6 months to sell or 5 months to sell, that's $500 you made, but theoretically it's only $100 a month and capital is locked up, and that's not really what we're going for here, right? So we're trying to find something that you can constantly do on a monthly basis. For example, one of my biggest scores so far, last year, was basically those dang HNT miners, right? I used a bunch for myself. The profit started dropping. I started selling. I kept buying to kind of resell because it was just basically I was selling them for triple what I bought them at, right? So throughout the entire thing, I purchased around 14 HNT miners. I still currently have 2. I'm getting rid of those as well because the profitability is just no longer there. But I also have another 2 coming in that I can literally then flip or set up myself. So, right, literally those 14, if we just go by that, tripled my $500 investment, right? Let me get the handy dandy little calculator out. So 500, times 14 equals $7,000. The triple of that is $21,000. So that would be a $14,000 profit in about a year, and that comes down with wait time. Again, I didn't order them until around April, so the first 4 months, so in 8 months, $14,000. So basically almost every month I made $2,000 theoretically, and that includes me waiting for them to come, me basically getting them, setting them up. But however, I also did set some of them up, and what that means is I did make around $4,000 to $6,000 profit as well. So within 8 months, I ended up making, right, and you guys know, I ended up making basically at that point $20,000 within 8 months, which again is $2,500 per month, right around there. So again, no complaints there, good profit margin. But again, it's just finding the opportunity to do something like that, right? You can do it with anything. You can do it with the Tesla Cyber Whistles, the Tesla Quadcopter, like the Tesla ATV for the kids. You can do it with cell phone cases, you can do it with AirPods, you can do it with whatever, right? It does not matter. The point is, you have to understand the market and you have to find that product, right? No one else can do that for you. That is something that you have to do, and it will help if it's something you know about, right? And you can do the same thing with cars, with watches, houses, right? When you start scaling. So that's kind of the best thing, in my opinion, to start with. Basically, how to flip anything. So hopefully that helps. And if you guys want to join our Discord, we talk about this stuff completely free, just a bunch of information stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, so don't forget to subscribe and like it. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.